Okay, I figured out what was a problem. It was a problem with gdb beta, so I just disabled beta now, and I think it's working. So let's just delete one if it is no breakpoint one. Okay, yeah, of course there's no breakpoint. Said this is simply flavor Intel, and this is simple main. Yep. Let's now break. Let's break here. First comparison is here before it actually takes this string. Second comparison is here before it actually takes this string. Yes, and now let's just run. Okay, now we are here. Now let's see what is this string actually. This is our, I guess, our OS version. Now we can just change that. So let's go to my notes because they are important. Cat notes. Now let's print that just to see what is the hex value for it, and then we can set const char sec that to be that equal that. Is not a value. How come? Yeah, I think yeah, because I need to include this, so I need to put here brackets. Okay, now let's check the same. It has been changed to what would bypass the check. So let's continue. We go to breakpoint 2. Now let's check that no, not that. Need to check. String compare, we need to check this. Yep. We are here. 64. Continue. Oh, then this. Sorry, this. Continue. Shouldn't be here. 3b is not what we want. 3b is not what we want. Not that one. That one. We need that one. Yes. Before the comparison. Let's break here and continue. We go here. Now let's check that variable, it contains this, but we need it to contain what we saw before in the radar. We need to contain this string Intel for lols. Okay, so let's print that. Always print s interval print x intervals. We have that, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, now we said that instead of this to 13 this. Now if we check the same variable, it has been changed for this. Continue and we get the flag. Yeah, that's it. That's the fifth flag. So echo flag 5, this one 2 flags. Let's get flags just for see the progress. Actually I think I screwed something up in the web challenge, but it's fine. So those are the flags for reverse engineering, and yeah, let's continue to something else.